City Center.
Mardif.
Mardif.
Yeah.
That's near here?
Near. Inshallah, after 10 minutes we reach the house. Arrive in the house after 10 minutes. Emirates Airlines.
Like near the one you're going there, it's near.
Where?
Going there.
Where is it?
Going back. Why so far? Fitness. Airport. Ah, this big, so?
Very big mall.
City Center.
Yeah, 2010 started the mall.
2010.
Yeah, it's complete the mall. 2010.
You know, sir?
Already.
This one house.
Yeah, this one house. This one. Before,
Sports City.
Yeah, before 4 years.
And this one, you know this, huh?
Yeah, new apartments.
Apartment.
Then the airport.
What airport?
Your left side.
That's the airport.
Yeah, the flight is coming down. You see the flight.
Planas.
Yeah, Planas. From Thailand.
Small. That's from Thailand.
Yeah, from Thailand.
Planas. Planas is from Thailand.
Yeah.
But Etihad is from Hong Kong.
Hong Kong, right?
Etihad. What, Faisal?
Hello. Faisal saying hi.
No, you're not allowed to see.
Oh, okay. Sorry, Faisal.
Not allowed. Al-Kawanich. Al-Kawanich like that. I thought.
You get to the phone instead.